Welcome everyone to Math Time. I'm Mr. Julius Ineta, or you can call me Boss G, and I will be your teacher for today's lesson. Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about the rectangular coordinate system. One of the most useful mathematics concepts ever introduced is the concept of the rectangular coordinate system. The rectangular coordinate system is a system for graphing number pairs. It is also called as the Cartesian coordinate system, and it was named after René Descartes. René Descartes is a French mathematician, philosopher, and theologian. To build this system, begin with a number line, then draw a number line perpendicular to the first so that the 0 points coincide. The horizontal line is what you call as the x-axis. The vertical line is what you call as the y-axis. Together, they are called coordinate axes. The point of intersection of the coordinate axis is called the origin. So here is the origin. The axes divide the coordinate plane into 4 quadrants labeled counterclockwise. So we have here the first quadrant, the second quadrant, the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. So what is the sign of the values of x on the first quadrant? As you can see, all are positive. So the values of x on the first quadrant is positive, and the values of y on the first quadrant are also positive. On the second quadrant, the values of x is negative, and the values of y are positive. On the third quadrant, the values of x are negative, and the values of y are negative. On the fourth quadrant, the values of x are positive and the values of y are negative. Take note, the positive values of the y-axis are above the origin and the negative values are below the origin. The positive values on the x-axis are to the right of the origin, and to the left are the negative values. Let's say if I'm going to place a point here. Okay. So every point in the coordinate plane can be described by an ordered pair. Can be described by an ordered pair. Anyways, what are ordered pair? Ordered pair is a pair of numbers x, y associated with a point on a graph. The first number x gives the horizontal location of the point, and the second number y gives the vertical location. Ordered pair is represented by the values of x and y. So the first number is what we call as the x-coordinate. The second number is called as the y-coordinate. X-coordinate is also called as abscissa, while y-coordinate is called ordinate. The ordered pair that represents a point is called the coordinates of the point. Say for example, we have here 2, negative 1. 2 here is the abscissa, while negative 1 is the ordinate. Or we can say 2 here is the x-coordinate and negative 1 here is the y-coordinate. Note on the use of parentheses. So you have parentheses, inside it is 2, comma negative 1. This one represents a point on the coordinate plane. Whereas, say if we have here 2, then negative 1, this one represents multiplication. Okay? This one represents multiplication, while the other one on top represents coordinate. Don't forget that, okay? At this point, let us determine to what quadrant are the following ordered pairs located. We have here 2 and negative 3. Yes, it is located on the 4th quadrant. How about 5, 6? Very good. It is located on the 1st quadrant. How about negative 3, 9? So the value of x is negative, the value of y is positive. So it is found on the very good 2nd quadrant. How about negative 7, negative 3? The value of x is negative, the value of y is negative. So it is located on the 3rd quadrant. Very good. So 5, 0 lies on the x-axis, 0, 7 lies on the y-axis. Now if a point lies on the x-axis, we call that as x-intercept. While the point that lies on the y-axis, we call it y-intercept. When we say x-intercept, it is a point located on the x-axis, while y-intercept is a point located on the y-axis. The question now here is, how are we going to plot up points on the Cartesian plane or on the rectangular coordinate system? To plot the point to an ordered pair, you must start at the origin and move x units to the left if x is negative, or to the right if x is positive. Then move y units going up if y is positive and going down if y is negative. Okay, so let us practice plotting of points. So let us plot the point negative 6, positive 4. Take note that the first number here represents the value of x. The second number represents the value of y. So the value of x here is negative 6. The value of y is equal to positive 4. So from the origin, since x is negative, we're moving to the left. How many units? By 6 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And going up, since y is positive. And how many units? Going up 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you now have here the point negative 6, positive 4. Okay, let's try one more. Say we have here 2, positive 5. So 2 here is the value of x, 5 is the value of y. So from the origin, we're going to the right 2 units, 1, 2, then going up 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have here the point 2, positive 5. How about negative 3 and positive 8? So from the origin, we move to the left 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and going up. Since we're only into 7, and we have here 8. So it's above 7. So possibly it's here. Okay? So how about we have 0, negative 7. So how many units to the left or to the right? It's none because the value of x is 0. Then going down 7 units since y is negative 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you now have 0, negative 7. How about negative 4, negative 6? So from the origin to the left, 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and going down 6 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have here the point, negative 4, negative 6. Okay? Now, what if we're going to reverse it? Given the point, let's identify the ordered pair or the coordinate of the point. Say we have here, the point is here. Now, what is the coordinate of this point? So we're going to look down. So it is negative 3. So the value of x is negative 3. And positive 4. So we have the coordinate negative 3, positive 4. How about this one? So if you're going to draw a line, so y is negative 4. Here, y is positive 4. Therefore, the coordinate is 4, negative 4. Remember, always write first the value of x, followed by the value of y. What if we have here the point? What is the value of x? It's negative 5. What is the value of y? It's negative 5. So the coordinate is negative 5, negative 5. How about this? So what is the coordinate of this point? So the value of x is 3. The value of y is 2. So the coordinate is 3, 2. Okay? Can you follow? Very good. Okay, let's try another. What is the coordinate of point A? Very good. It's negative 3, positive 3. What is the coordinate of point B? Very good. It's 7, negative 3. What is the coordinate of point C? Good job. It's negative 5, negative 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from me today. Have fun learning. Goodbye. See you on the next video.